Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring stable power and turning off adaptive features so manual control works predictably. Once done, open the display panel in your OS and locate brightness or night shift controls. You should also close full-screen HDR or video apps because they override manual changes. Now make a modest initial change, 10-20%, so you can judge effect. This prevents overcorrecting and gives a baseline for the next steps. Once you have a baseline, fine-tune in small steps and test with real tasks like web browsing and photo viewing to see practical results. Make changes in 1-5% increments and observe eye comfort and image detail. Also adjust color temperature. Warmer at night reduces blue light. Neutral in daytime preserves accuracy. Make sure to save or apply presets if available so you can switch quickly. If your monitor supports hardware controls, repeat adjustments there for consistent output. You finish by saving a comfortable profile and testing it across your main apps to ensure consistency. Once satisfied, schedule automatic shifts or keep 2 profiles for day versus night use so you don't rework settings constantly. If brightness behaves erratically, update graphics drivers and check the monitor's on-screen menu. Make sure ICC color profiles aren't forcing gamma shifts. If problems persist, reset the display profile or reconnect cables. These quick fixes often resolve flicker or incorrect brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.